reason you're excited? Perhaps you'd like some of this? Really? Nah. This is bread. Let's go outside. Do you think she's hungry? Ron keeps telling me that I'm starving my dogs. That's why they eat oranges and things like that. And you act like you're starving, don't you? Okay, hang on, hang on. What an excited girl. Okay, here you go. And Bumby, a smaller piece. Want another one? There you go, sweetheart. It's kind of dry, isn't it? But then if I toast it, it's too hot for you. What a girl. Ooh, it's a little chilly today, huh? Maybe we'll put your coat on you before we go for a walk. Yes, Gertie. She stops to say thank you with her eyes. Okay, I'm not going to give you any more because then I have to give Bumby some. Bumby's too fat as it is. Okay, Gerta, Mummy's going to get her own cup of tea and then we'll be off for a walk.